The painting came out not too bad.
No, not too bad at all. We'll back that other piece tomorrow there. And then we can paint that bottom piece, the whole piece. We cut that thing off tomorrow.
Yeah, no. Can just do that other bits tomorrow and then, yeah.
And we can do these as well.
Oh, down that side, yeah.
Yeah, these.
Nose.
All these colours as well tomorrow. Well, let's start there. We get that done.
I'll get that roof I got to complete.
And finish that roof. Look at it now.
Yeah. It's a quick video of the finishing the painting on the truck. If you like it, thumbs up.
Red oxide.
Yeah, red oxide in. If you like it, thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.